If you've ever felt overwhelmed by your Asana task list or wondered how to make sure the most important items don't get lost in the shuffle, today's tutorial is for you. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to assign priority levels to your Asana tasks, either using the built-in priority field or by adding a custom field of your own. This simple skill can make your workflow way more focused and ensure you spend your time on what matters most. Let's dive right in. There are actually two effective methods for marking a task's priority in Asana, and I'll walk you through both, step by step. First, let's look at the built-in priority field, which is the quickest way to get started. Begin by opening up the task you want to update. You can do this from inside a project, or if you're working from your general list, just click on My Tasks in the sidebar. Once you've opened the task, look to the Details pane on the right side of your screen. You'll see a section called Priority. This is Asana's ready-made field specifically for ranking urgency. Now, click directly on that priority field. A drop-down menu will pop up, offering ready-to-use choices like high, medium, or low. The moment you pick one, it's tied to that task, and everyone who views it will immediately see how urgent it is. If you've got a task that's time-sensitive or has the potential to block other work, you'll want to select high. For tasks that you shouldn't forget but can wait a bit, go with medium. And for those nice-to-have or non-essential items, low keeps them in sight without crowding your attention. Remember, assigning priorities isn't just about labeling, it's about creating clarity for yourself and your team so you can zero in on the right things at the right time. Now, let's say you want a bit more customization. Maybe your team has a unique way of ranking tasks, or you want to use different labels. That's where Asana's custom field option comes in. Here's how you set that up. First, head to the specific project where you want to add this new field. Up at the top, look for the Customize button. It might appear as a little sparkle wand or a gear icon, depending on the interface update. Click that, then select Plus Add Field. You'll get a library of field options. You can search Priority to see if there's a template, or you can click Create New to start from scratch. For this field, choose Single Select as the type. This means every task will have just one priority value at a time, making your sorting super clean and easy. Name your field something direct and clear, like Priority. Next, add your options, such as High, Medium, and Low. You can add more levels, maybe Critical or Deferred, if your workflow needs them. Once you're satisfied, click Create Field, and voila! You've unlocked a custom priority feature for every task in that project. Now, just like with the built-in field, each new or existing task can be assigned a priority level by clicking the field and choosing the appropriate status. Don't worry if the setup takes a few extra moments the first time. Once it's in place, it'll save you tons of time down the line and give your team a clearer sense of what to tackle first. Real-world example. If you're running a marketing project, you can instantly see which campaign deadlines are urgent and which draft ideas can wait until next week. That's it. You're now ready to assign priorities in Asana both quickly and flexibly. If you found this video helpful, give it a like. And if you have any questions or want to share how you use priority fields, just drop a comment below. For more workflow tips and Asana tutorials, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a new video. Thanks for watching and happy organizing!